Good morning, everybody. We are in the warehouse on the F5 Shrinkwrap line, and we have an improvement. So when records come out of the Shrinkwrap or out of the tunnel, occasionally, if the blade has missed, the package will have 2 records in it. And when that gets here to the spinning point, they'll spin out and fall on the floor. So Eric suggested that we build a little catch table, and we've done that. So it's hinged here, right? And in the upright position, it's ready to catch records. But we want to be able to get people and goods up and down this aisle. So it also folds down. So this saves a bunch of wasted motion. It saves a bunch of waste all the way around, because when the records fall, frequently the jackets bend. And it doesn't happen a lot, but then we have to repack them, so it's a lot of wasted effort. This is definitely a good improvement.